Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It is day number 8 guys on my Thanksgiving Day menu. And I got a nice classic right here. This nice good southern cornbread dressing. Guys, this thing came out absolutely moist, absolutely delicious. So we aren't going to prolong anything. I'm going to jump into this video and I'm going to show you exactly how I get it done. Alrighty guys, so we got our simple ingredients right here. If you've been following along, you should have had your cornbread already made in the freezer, and your chicken stock made, or turkey stock, whatever you wanted to use. I got chicken stock, and I got me some onions, bell pepper, and celery. And I just sauteed those in 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm not going to use all of this. Going to save some for another recipe. But I just sauteed this in a little bit of unsalted butter, and I'm going to put some of that inside our dressing. And I got me the chicken from my chicken stock. I got that all shredded and off with a bone, no skins. I already ate the skin. But I got my chicken shredded right here, and we're going to get that inside here also. And don't worry about how much liquid I use guys. I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description of the video for you. So got my cornbread all crumbled up and inside of the bowl here. I'm going to come in and just add my chicken inside of here. This is chicken thighs. Alright, get all of that chicken down inside of there. And I'm going to come in, I'm going to add some of this onion and green bell pepper and celery to it. I'm not going to put all of it inside of here. And guys, I don't add any kind of giblets or any herbs or anything to my dressing. I just keep it really simple. Just my cornbread and vegetables and a little chicken sometimes. So once we get that in there, then I'm going to come and start adding my chicken stock in here. I got that in my crock pot. In the back, I had to make another batch of chicken stock guys, because I used all of the first one, so I ended up having to make a second batch. And I'm gonna start adding this just a little at a time until I get the consistency that I want. You want to have this kind of wet guys, not too wet, but you want to have this wet so that it be nice and moist for you. And I do not add any eggs inside of here also, but it still sets up really nice and still have a nice moist texture. But if you would like to add eggs to yours, by all means, you could probably add about 2 or 3. This is just going to be a small batch, so I would say you could add 2 eggs to it and you should be fine. But I'm just going to go ahead and give that a mix. I know that wasn't nearly as much stock as I needed, but best to start off small guys. Add it as you need it instead of trying to hit it perfectly the first time and adding too much. Then you're just going to have a whole big mess. I'm going to come back in here and add some more of it. I'll have the exact measurements of how much stock I use in the recipe. If you dry your cornbread out correctly, then that should be the perfect amount of stock for you. Alright, so we're going to give that a nice mix. Alright, we're starting to get to that point that we wanted, but this is still a little bit too dry. If you added this right now, this is going to be real crumbly, and that's not what we want. We want nice, tender, moist dressing. Alright, so this right here should give me exactly what I'm looking for. Alright, so let's give that another mix and see what we got here. And make sure you mix well guys at the bottom of that bowl, because there's still some dry cornbread that likes to settle at the bottom of that bowl, so you want to make sure you mix that really good down in that bottom of that. Alright, so this is looking just about where I want it. I'm definitely going to add just a little bit more because there was some more cornbread down in the middle of that bowl, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of that stock inside of here, and this is the consistency that I want right here. And what I like to do, guys, is just let it sit up for about 5 minutes. Give that cornbread a chance to soak up some more of that liquid, and see if you needed any more, but this was perfect right here. So got my little pan right here. Like I said, I wasn't making a big one, just a small one for this video. And just get all of that inside of here. You don't have to spray your pan if you're using this kind of pan or a non-stick pan, because you got all of that butter inside of here and you don't have to worry about it sticking or anything like that. But if you feel safe spraying it first, then by all means go ahead and hit it with a little baking spray. Smooth it out just like this. I'm gonna pop that in the oven uncovered. I cooked this on 325 for about 40 to 45 minutes, and I'm going to be back once this is completely done and ready to serve up. Alrighty, guys, so this is a cornbread dressing right here out of the oven. I let this thing go for exactly 45 minutes on 325 uncovered, and this looks absolutely beautiful. I let it set up for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and give it a taste test for you guys. See, I got me one of my turkey wings over here. You'll see that in another video. Some nice big turkey wings and gravy, in case you don't want to mess with a whole turkey for Thanksgiving. Just bake some turkey wings. Look at that. That dressing is absolutely moist. Nice and moist. And this is after it's set up for about 20 minutes. That's absolutely moist, guys. Didn't have to put any eggs in this at all. As long as you have the right amount of liquid, you should be fine. Need some of that dressing on there. Alright. I like to kind of clean up my plate a little bit. I don't want my plate looking too bad. Excuse me, guys. Alright, I'm coming in here to get a little gravy off of that turkey. This is the gravy that I made in another video. Let's put some of that gravy on there on one side of it. And I'll put a little bit of that gravy over that turkey wing too. And we're going to come in here and put a little bit of that cranberry sauce right on the side right there. That's that Ocean Spray cranberry sauce, guys. That's that good cranberry sauce. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my thumbnails videos and come back and give this a taste test for you guys. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test. I got my nice good cornbread dressing right here, a little cranberry sauce, a little gravy, and I got my big turkey wings right here. You guys will see that in another video. We can go ahead and give this thing a try. This is all about the stuffing today, so cornbread dressing, stuffing, whatever you want to call it. Come in here and get some of that first. Nice and moist. Look at that. Not crumbly. Nice moist dressing. Give that a try. When you start with a nice flavorful stock, that makes all the difference. Look at that. Nice moist dressing. Some of that cranberry sauce on it. Oops, come here. Look at that. Let's get that tip off of here. We'll get to this tip later. Just want to give this turkey wing a try. Put that tip over there. Come get this. Look at that. Nice and tender. Oh boy. Look at that. Tender turkey wing. Doesn't stand a chance. I'm about to go in. I hope everybody else enjoys this day. I know I'm about to enjoy mine. One more bite. Alrighty guys, so that is it for my cornbread dressing recipe. This thing turned out absolutely moist and absolutely delicious. Follow this recipe and you should definitely be satisfied with the outcome. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.